Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how to download the Nexo app. The Nexo app allows users to earn interest on crypto, access instant crypto backups, loans, exchange assets and manage portfolios, and all from one secure mobile application. Whether you're a beginner or experienced crypto user, Nexo makes a digital finance effortless. So downloading the Nexo app is quick and easy. So first you need to open to the Google Chrome here. And once you open to the Google Chrome, in the top there's a search bar. You need to type down and search for it and the Nexo will appear over here. Once you reach, you can see this Nexo official page. You need to click into this download the Nexo app here. So you can choose for either iOS download or Android download. You can simply click over this option. So in order to download, you need to install the test flight, follow the link and get started. So you need to click onto this test flight over here. It just got downloaded. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any confusions or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.